I'm 5 behind you.
I'm down.
I don't think Snipe sees me, I'm 10 out.
Yeah, I don't think he does.
You'll beat him.
Huh.
Are you running back?
Yeah.
Get it.
Hawk got me.
I'm gonna run front.
He's one shot. Yes.
Are you up for this? Or is it?
Kinda. I'm just
Well,
gonna
you check
try.
your
You guys
cameras.
need to crash. You guys need to get returned as soon as possible.
More, I think you can crash too.
Oh.
Yeah, this might be a bit late now.
I'm gonna go to Snowy.
60%.
I've just stopped. I'm going the other way now. I don't want to die.
No, come back. Come.
I don't want to fucking die.
Fuck.
They got timed. Oh, they just went for it.
Oh my god.
No. Oh damn. Oh, Polak is not out.
Wait, which one's the rock bounce? Aw, damn it.
I'll be.
He's on the Vince montage who wants to do that.
30 for a back cat.
I'm
Yeah,
just
we're
gonna
getting close to
keep
this
walking.
home.
They're trying to chase me.
Wow.
Please
Playbox
take
is
this.
chasing.
Okay.
Oh, they have
Oh my
everyone
god,
on
there's
this.
7 people on this.
I'm about. I'm about 25.
Okay.
Back cat.
High
Yeah.
priority target, guys.
There wasn't one offense left.
I'm gonna go out
About
and spot play that.
15.
I won't be
Back.
there. Oh, what's it? Oh, yeah, it's okay.
I'm down. Oh, there's a jug. There. Oh, is he actually playing jug? No, he's still playing great.
Down.
Cap is on like a
Oh,
back
fuck.
right. In about 10.
Which time?
I thought.
I'll be
Oh my god,
30
I'm
for a
really
left,
low now.
a right cat.
I don't know where the. I was
Going
trying
down
to
here.
Yeah, I'm hiding. Good luck.
I'm about 25 to 20
Yeah, where's
seconds.
Cap?
There he is, back left.
Oh shit, he's out.
That
You
is.
grabs. Do we? I'm moving now.
Yeah, he's.
Me and me.
He
grab.
punted.
5 out.
Offense
you
way
back?
outstand.
Pro, I'm on the same
Nice.
route that you were doing before when I tried to pass you. Oh, it's not a good position.
Oh, I'm down.
Wait. No, I
I'm
can't
going to.
Dodros.
Nah,
It's mostly lost cause. Okay, let's get out clean this time. I'm gonna go up left.
I'll be 30 for right.
Okay, I'm good for that.
I'm good.
One offense left till.
Snipes left hill.
Start moving now.
I don't see
Playbox
anything
is-
left.
Playbox in the tower info. He's probably leaving out front.
I'll do dead.
Is this gonna be time for you?
I'm like 10
I
out.
don't think it's spotted.
Hoff's dead.
Dodros, right hill.
5.
LD's back up, he's half.
He's dead.
Nice.
I'm slow
Watch out for
though.
fronts. Oh,
Snipers
thank-
up.
oh my god.
Snipes gonna
I
be
think
on
someone's
your
front.
exit.
I'm starting a re.
Yeah, I need.
Yeah, try killing Snipe. Honey, can you go out and meet him?
Yep.
Pro, keep going.
Dying to dot her.
I'm not helping you. I'm watching you.
I can make this. There's no one in my way. As
Watch
long as
your
I
back,
get the
bro.
front.
100%.
He missed.
Same just
Get
well.
that.
Same
Oh,
just well,
Dodros
so-
on it.
Yes, yeah.
Any help?
I'm like 12 out.
I'm dead.
Capper is
Yeah.
around us. No.
Fuck.
Half is
how
off
lo-
sand.
How far are you at?
4.
Yeah,
You
we
might be
mid.
out.
Just punt if you need.
I'm out full.
Nice.
Okay, this is a count.
Run.
That's
I'm gonna run
200.
away.
Sniped once.
Oh, he's
Oh, that disc
Oh,
is
he
knocked
might
out.
Punch it.
Playbox was chasing.
I'll be 30 to 25.
Tarko's weak, coming
Yeah,
to you little.
Shrek.
Yeah,
Okay. Oh, I fell, don't double cap this time.
Okay.
I'm gonna go spot right at the
And
moment.
just is out left. Vader. Full.
Okay.
Snipes on me.
I won't be there for you.
Have a
Unless you
grass
can.
Cap is on the right. Go jet trailer.
Is he?
Yep. Yeah, there is. Isn't that a back right? That could be like
Okay,
a weird left
Phil, let's
bounce.
slide in from the back left.
It is that weird left.
Come meet us mid with your strike.
I'm being sniped.
I'm dead.
Back
It's okay.
in
I'll clear for me.
Oh my god. Fuck
I'm gonna
me.
be out.
2. He's... And I'm dead as well, so...
I'm taking 20.
Mid, I'm in mid. I'm in mid.
Yeah.
Chase is low.
I'm so good at this game.
Dead.
Paul, like, somebody. Oh,
Being
no,
made on
that's
that
a
guy.
we need help. Yeah, a lot of help.
Punted forward, probably.
On.
Watch out for moves.
What? How? That went right through me. Holy shit.
Come here, go.
Oh wait,
Low
hey,
half on
come
you.
on. I got a grab cycle.
I already down.
Here, pass it to me.
Come on, grab cycle.
Could take this row then.
5
Take
offense
this-
now.
Oh wait, you're a pat. Fuck.
Scanning.
Alright.
Let's go 5
Don't
offense.
tap in front.
Okay, I'll go.
D on D. Oh no, oh, is that a grab cycle?
Yeah, I'll chain them out. Don't worry.
Okay,
Five
offense. Let's hit 14:45.
X going.
Are you
I'm
actually
sniper. Oh,
going
they have
with
no
it?
sniper. Fuck, I won't be there. Oh, sniper and tower. There you go, kill him.
Right. The strategy is to go to their base.
Second 5.
So then they don't.
I'm about
they don't
5
suspect
behind.
There's
you.
one
no
pass
problem.
there.
Oh shit, there's one.
Oh, nice conk, bro. Oh, that's gonna hit. Oh no.
Okay, I'm pro. Oh shit, one on us. Might get con. Oh my.
God, they're so bad. Oh god. Oh fuck, I got mid-aired.
Got it.
This snipe's on our base. He
Right.
might E-grab. He will E-grab. He's weak though. I'll kill him.
Pass me if you.
Cap, and then. Oh,
You can do
shit.
this.
Oh.
Memory setting.
Wow, that worked.
That was so retarded.
Are we still striking?
Yeah.
I'll be 30 for a back hat.
Alright,
So
I
I
can make that.
I'll be
One
good.
on
Let me
left.
actually kill these people this time.
Oh, oh. Oh shit. That's... Danger.
About 25.
Yeah, one
Oh,
offense,
bad.
one left.
Sniper's
20.
on left hill.
One offense here.
We need to kill that sniper.
Try to
Moving
get
now, I'm like 10.
him. Can't see him. Is he on
Oh,
the
wait,
high
extend
left?
that all
Oh, I
if you
see him.
can.
I can't. I'm gonna get out. I'm full health. I've gone really high. I got impulsed by something. I think it was
Don't
an
worry, you
8.
don't have any
Focus
space.
on
Cap
Capper.
within
Back
10.
left now, back left now.
Good job, man.
Nice butt block.
I was on buck block, I saw him.
Resetting.
Oh, okay, looked like you butt blocked.
I'm gonna go at me, Phil.
Well, are you out?
Snipe's gonna get me.
There's one heavy going in, Jen. I'm gonna chase
I'm
him down
around
there.
the bend.
Cool, and he's
I
burnt.
might make it.
We'll get him.
Playbox chasing.
Down.
Rest in peace,
Right,
little.
needs to get
You
that.
will be missed.
No! He's
Oh.
10%.
I'll go get him.
You can get it, lazy.
Is he? Where is he?
Nice, nice, nice.
He's like coming
Nice,
out
we-
the front
go,
entrance.
Oh fuck, I can't get him then.
Go, go,
Too
go.
many here.
Oh
Oh my god, I'm so expert.
I might have to punk
I'm over the hill.
Right behind you.
or take this
Come on, guys.
jug on us.
Snowy's coming. Or not.
I'm
Sack.
trying to get a grab.
I'm behind you.
I'm
I'm
on
full
the cap
health, Phil.
starting on the
More.
right.
Phil might get sniped out.
Cap,
Quick
quick,
throw.
quick. Go on, go,
Nice.
Capper
I
is
killed the
due. Stay on stand,
Ah,
stand, stand.
fuck, I'm resetting. Damn.
I think Playbox
I'm
was
resetting.
crashing on us, so...
They're crashing though.
I'll be
Yeah.
35 for... No, 40 for a back right.
No, they're not.
No, front left
Front,
is me.
front, front.
Alright, get up.
And you guys thought
Jeff.
I'm going on a quick raid.
Back-
Radio's
now.
doing a thing. That thing, yeah.
nothing died.
Okay.
I'll be 40 again, so...
Oh, guy on hill.
I'll fidget him.
Big fat
Oh.
man.
It's like...
I'm gonna go spot.
Big
Oh,
lazy. No!
Offense front left.
I'm about 35.
Tim just is on, going to tower.
If you can spot their sniper.
About 30.
He's probably on left hill.
He's on
Check
me.
that.
Can you get him? Yeah, it's getting really, really annoying.
I don't know. Is he still on it?
He's on left hill.
Oh
and
yeah,
he's
he
just
keeps
trying
going
to
up
shoot.
there. Okay.
Sam just is 30%
I'm about
on left.
15 seconds out.
I can't get to him.
Okay.
Oh,
As long as
fuck, I
stands
hit him.
clear, I should get out.
Oh fuck, I got a grenade, but goddamn.
Half is weak.
Oh, he's out.
On his path.
Oh, fuck.
I'm down.
I'm out. Full.
Nice.
I'm chasing.
He's weak.
Are we gonna return?
He's like.
Oh, strike.
Oh, I have to
Damn
reload.
it,
Just like
gotta
one
kill
shot.
I
him.
caught
by the
him.
way.
I'm not gonna give it to him.
Wow. Hear that bounce?
Nice.
I gotta kill that fucking sniper though.
D on D, oh no.
Or Pro and Angry. We're doing the same deal like last time.
Okay.
Oh, they killed our generator.
Oh fuck.
Why you letting do
Sniper
that?
Deal.
They don't got that, do they?
10-15?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
Video one shot down mid.
Are you shooting at something?
Yeah, the ground.
Oh, that's
Stop it.
an interesting guy.
Maybe there's an inf.
Yeah, guys. It's okay.
Playbox on right.
Going in. I needed him for 600.
There's a guy on
He's
top
half.
of me, I think.
Yeah, I got him.
Nice.
I was just
Yeah.
going for him. And I missed like
Okay,
50%.
never mind.
I can make the next run, sorry.
9:35.
Yeah, that'll be fun. I think that should.
Slow down mid, Dimbringer. 15 seconds.
Can make that with Kongs.
It's intimidating
shit.
them, you know.
Fuck.
Seconds.
Out when they come in there.
I'll be
that
10.
shit.
Oh. Shit.
Going
Go down right.
2 on right.
I'm dead.
Some amazing-
Move left if you can.
I'm left. If you have a
Wow,
path coming
I'm
through
gonna
left.
get him down.
I'm getting up. Might get
no.
that.
Oh no.
Oh, they got that.
Wow,
So bad.
Oh, bad.
that's a cap.
Alright.
Let's go there. Let's start.
I'll be 30 for a right to left.
Next going. Give it to
About 25.
2 offense down mid.
Right.
About 20. Kappa's on the right. Kappa's on the right.
Okay.
Sam's going to left hill.
Can you spell? Oh, this gonna
Uh,
be back right. Or
yeah,
the back
back
left
left.
thing.
I'm
chasing
Sniper.
Start moving in now. I'm like 10 out, 5 out.
I'll get Sarko.
5 out.
Coming in.
Snipe
3
is
out.
down.
Back.
I'm out. Half.
Good job.
Okay. Snipe said, so you should be good.
I have
Oh, you
chase.
can.
I'm
Go
turning
on
a
a
read.
re-grab.
Where the fuck did that guy go?
Sweet.
I think there's a guy in our gen.
Is it?
I don't know.
I'm gonna continue this. I'll be
there
coming
he
at the same
is.
time as Fro.
25.
Oh my god.
Playback.
Psycho front left.
Oh god, he's gonna kill me.
Oh
No,
god.
it won't
about
happen. It's
20.
not happening. Fuck you, bitch.
15.
Yeah, I'm about 15.
So many cappers.
I D'd up hard there, I won't make it.
Psycho down, just kill the radio.
Snowy's coming
Where?
for me.
Lowest weak kill.
I'm gonna grab.
Lowest weak, hard
Oh,
kill.
I didn't
god.
get
Oh, Sam is weak there.
LOL.
I should have kill on Sam.
I should have staked out, I'm sorry.
Yeah, Sam down.
Is this getting out or whatever?
Cap may well be on front.
It's bad.
I would assume. Okay, no, there's a back left.
Okay, I'm starting on the back.
I mortared
He
him.
messed up.
30.
Dodoro's going to left hill.
Why is he KOut? Wait, don't
Because
leave him.
He's new
Oh.
strat.
It's ready to be off timed and stuff.
About 20.
Dote's caching.
Sam coming to me.
Actually, I'm a bit earlier than that. If anyone's there, hit stand, but I don't think.
I'm
don't
not
see
gonna be
anyone.
there. He's felt. Are you capping?
I'm there. I'm got sniped though.
Oh, okay.
What's your time? Oh, no.
I'm down.
Psycho's left mid like half in the
I'll
tower.
be 35 for back right.
Okay. Psycho's still left mid.
About. Oh, Cap's back. Back left.
Oh my god. Dodor is weak on left,
Okay.
1 hit.
I'm about 25.
Back left in 3.
I'm gonna go down.
Holy shit, he's slow.
Nice.
Nice go.
I'm about 15. At 10.
He has play box. He's leaving right, maybe.
About
Yo, it's tank
5.
time, boys.
I'm down.
Oh, you can't buy a tank. God damn it.
10 out.
I'll play back to kOut.
Snipe just died. Playbox. I'm gonna kill Playbox. Playbox fighting me actually.
Off.
Playbox
Psycho
dead.
is going in, so I'm gonna go meet him.
Yeah, go for it.
I'm
There's down,
about
don't capper it.
30 to 25 seconds ish.
2 offense on our right hill.
Yep.
wanna
Dodro
cap
is
it?
half HP.
Actually, no, Cap died like 10 seconds ago ish.
Cap's waiting.
I'm about.
Oh god, I'm gonna die.
15.
Stampede. Oh my god. Shotgun too strong.
Oh my god, Dodro is weak behind our stand and just like AFK'd like a
Time.
About 10.
Nice, amazing.
Okay, what's that?
Cap's hard right.
Cool, thanks. There he is.
I'm out, full
Yeah.
health.
Top down mid, weak.
Wow, he's so
Don't do it.
trying hard to glory shot me.
Oh
Don't
no,
let
what
me.
I'm
Oh, what?
saying.
Oh, the esports. The plays.
Here, pass.
Fucking return.
Very
No.
good.
No.
Front mid.
Oh no.
Resetting.
Watch out. Oh, okay. Cap dead.
Oh, he's gonna hit my mortar.
Oh, shit. I'm gonna run a front. Sniper needs to go down when I grab.
Snipe's on left mid hill. Do you need him down? Mm,
Yeah, I'm gonna be exiting that way. He needs to go down like after I grab, pretty much.
Dodro right hill.
I'm coming up left hill.
okay. Sam just
Yeah,
is
that
left
was on
mid.
me right now.
30.
Playbox is on the, like, snipe hill. Yeah, it's him.
Okay.
You got one.
Oh
up
my
He's
here.
probably leaving on right.
Dodro is weak on right.
Start moving in now.
40%.
I'm like 20.
Yeah, I should get him.
We don't know what
Something's
snipe
regen.
is.
Kept starting right.
Okay.
Got your back, bro.
I'm coming in about
Hopped escape.
Kate out.
10.
There's Samjit.
That's cap on right. It's gonna be
5.
that back left or
Oh, watch out
back
for
or
mortar.
whatever. Back.
Hold on, Sam.
Oh no, that's a normal back. In,
Right, straight right. No.
Oh, Jimmy
Where's
Ricar.
Nice.
Uh,
I'm going
need
down
help?
here.
Sniper.
I'm pretty good, but just
kids.
D up, D up. I'm trying
There's
to
one
get,
guy on
clear my
stand,
path.
Then we got Chase
Don't in
coming
front of
through
you.
mid.
Dodro heavy coming through mid. Playbox
Oh
mid.
my god, fuck me. Watch out for sorry, yeah, it's kill sorry.
Playbox down.
Low dead.
GG.
Sam down.
Nice.
Good job.
I think, yeah, they run like a lot of routes that just try to hide from me the entire time, and they just overestimate me way too much and adjust to that. And their
Oh,
offense
okay.
does nothing as a result, I think. No, actually. And like don't actually have to do anything for them to like
I think if they had
outplay
whatever,
themselves.
if they had Mike X, they might double
They
cap.
even like, they even kind of outkilled us in kills wise, but they didn't do much like flag moving.
Yeah, because I don't know. I wasn't killing them at all. I was just going for the capper. Like I just went and camped this route or something. Lightweight, safe all. You just go and kill the capper.
That's rude. You're rude.
I know it's really rude. Probably must be annoying. Like I wouldn't even kill him. I would just stop his regen. Like hit him once.
Are we playing this as well? Isn't this like the third map?
We just
Yeah.
we've already played this against them.
Let's play DX, I guess, right?
Can we not do that?
You really don't like DX, do you?
Fine.
DX is a really good map. What's wrong with
No, it's not.
DX?
It's actually like the shittest map in the world. You can only
Wow.
go from 2 sides.
Oh,
No, unless
yeah,
you guys
but
wanna
you're a
learn some,
capper,
like,
so your opinion
sick-
doesn't matter, mate.
So some sick backcaps. That's our new strat. Or we can do the like throw up into the top tunnel thing. You want to learn that? Woo!
Yeah, but
You know-
that's...
Oh, right, with our team.
Who was
we
I
look
trying to
at
do
all
that with? I was trying to do that with implosions.
The part of the puzzle you're missing here is that cappers, you know, they're an important.
Just llama. Llama.
Llama Llama is the nub anyway. I'm bringing back Kappas, man.
Oh, more. Did you look at the comments in the video?
No,
There's like one that's like Easter egg.
Hmm?
Like it says 17:10.
oh. Oh yeah, look at that. Who the hell? Like, how would
How
you
did
like,
you find this?
would you have to like download the whole thing and then like, is there like a way to search through it to find clips that aren't?
Oh, they just watched the whole video.
Oh my god. That is fucking insane.
Alright, time to play Ritter LZ, right, Lacey?
Yeah. Just,
I think
How do
I'm
you
just
guys-
gonna go soldier.
okay. I thought it was next time I play against you, but whatever.
If it doesn't work, then I'll switch to raider.
You should put on survivalist too. And just stand right next to Little the entire game.
Yeah, and then I'll like kill nothing and spot nothing because I'm fucking terrible today, apparently. Will be great.
Don't kid yourself. You're always terrible.
Yeah, you're right.
Lol. So what's eels?
So, I made
So,
that my
fish.
tag to make people think that I'm not lazy. Because you could pronounce this name as Eels, and then it became the team tag.
Oh, that's good.
Going up right.
I can go at left.
Times?
I'm starting now, and I'll be 30 for a right cap.
Play
Play
box on
box.
left.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Dose
I
on
think-
right, half health, heavy.
What is
That's
Playbox
five.
doing?
He really wants to kill you.
Yeah.
Which side are you?
And he did it.
I'm on the right
He's
side.
really weak.
Fuck, we need to go snipe. I can't kill him.
I'm
What side
about
is it?
20.
He's on
We're just
right.
gonna slide.
He's like on the
They
hill.
have 2 people on our stand. 3
I
people.
don't see him.
About 15. Just keep him looking at you, lazy.
They have another heavy
Oh, shit.
behind that
I'm
and one guy on a
10,
standstill.
10 out.
He's really.
Okay, there's one guy behind him.
I'm out, full health.
Nice. So I'm just really weak.
Oh shit. There's Path on you too.
I think I might just go soldier if they're doing that.
Don't block me.
Easy.
Fuck. Resetting.
I'm sliding.
Just go, no, go brute,
side,
go
what side?
brute,
No,
throw
I'm
factals.
soldier.
Go brute,
no.
throw factals.
Oh
Nice.
man,
Did not work.
that'd be fun.
I'll be 30. Okay, good.
I mean, they're not gonna do only that, I don't think, so
Yeah.
don't commit to it entirely.
I'll
Oh,
be
my
Might
like
be
God.
right cap leaving, I don't know.
25 or less. Actually, yeah, I'm about 20 now.
Heavy here. One am in.
He's dead.
Dodoro down left, mid, heavy.
It's your time.
Right
Okay,
and
yes.
5, right and 5.
Right in.
I'm down.
Off is
Sank got me.
lowish.
No.
You guys, llama
Skin?
up if you can.
Yeah.
I'm not.
Run away.
Tiger might be there.
Did you die? You did?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
no,
died.
right.
I'm setting up for a
Right.
left.
Wait. I don't know if they'll
Oh
return.
yeah, triple brute.
There's 2 options left.
I'll be 30 for a left cap.
Okay.
Sarko
Thanks,
weak on
Golden
left.
Kid.
Yep.
Although won't throw fractals.
About 20.
Playbox is on left.
Playbox left.
Oh fuck,
I'm
that
gonna be
hit me.
dead.
Oh my god, how are these hitting this game? I'm throwing
Okay,
S on
he's on
sand
top of the
because I'm
sand.
going down soon.
I'm about 10.
He's almost dead from the fractals. This is amazing. Oh fuck, what would you do?
I'm almost out of ammo.
5 out.
Oh! They have
I'm
another
out.
heavy, honest.
Where'd you say playbox was?
He died.
I might have
short
hit
while
you
ago.
with a disc.
Oh.
I've got a curve around. I'm gonna
Cyclist,
go
one
up.
shot. Let Madness stand. One shot. One shot.
Yeah,
Like
he's
this
behind the stands. Playbox
Oh, you have
on
one
the
cutting
right.
you off.
I punted. Frel, get that?
Nice,
Nice.
Phil. One on standby.
Do we have turn?
Nice.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we'll
yeah.
have return.
Watch it.
Returning. No.
What are you doing, Fred?
Resetting.
Dodoro out front. He's happy.
Sorry, Pardon.
Wait, don't kill him. Don't kill him. Just let him be. Or...
No,
Let
sorry.
him
Okay,
I'll
now-
be
Let him be.
30 on the left.
Okay, Sam just down left, heavy.
F's are on stand.
Playbox
Rolly
is in
snug.
Pathfinder now, so
Dodo's-
it's gonna be. It's gonna
Start
be.
moving it
caps.
now, oh. I'm like 25 out.
2 offense
Oh,
left,
bad
Diggs,
20
one's
actually.
half.
Sam just says half HP there.
Oh, that fell off
I
the
think
stand.
the other offense is even lower, Pollock. Yeah, Dodoro is weaker.
I'm about 15, 10
I
inch
should
out.
get Sam just.
Alright, I'll have Dodoro. He's down.
Oh god, I'm so bad at this gun.
Capper
on
should be due though.
5 out.
Right in 3.
I'm
F's
down.
are on. Oh fuck,
He's
wait.
weak.
Oh,
He's,
Oh,
I'll
so
have
sad.
return problem. Returning.
Shit. It's
What
hard
can
to
I?
tell who's
Is there a heavy
fractals.
there? There is a heavy there.
Return.
I'm returning. Okay, more.
It's hard to tell
I'll be
who's fractals.
25 seconds for a backup. Oh, my dog
No
Jack is
radios
like
here.
scared for the thunder.
Wait, did you say fuck?
I'm done.
Oh fuck.
About 20.
Sam just. Oh my.
What side do you need it on?
I'm on the right.
Oh, I thought you said
Oh,
you
there's-
need Okay,
Caps
never
there.
mind.
I'm dead.
That's
I
a
can
right
try
and
to get
5-ish.
snipe.
Oh, he's
I
coming
wasn't able
out.
to put fractals on stand.
He's out.
Okay.
I gotta get
Wait,
stun.
5 now. 5.
I'm dead. Fuck.
Sorry.
I'm pretty much home with this.
Snipes down.
He's
Yeah.
half HP.
That was a good grab.
Oh, they got out.
Dodoro's on stand.
He's weak.
Yeah, fuck me. He's
my God.
half HP with that.
Frel.
Fuck me, I'm bad.
Are we gonna need? Can I crash?
I
We
need
need
help.
D for now.
I'm one shot. He
I got
passed.
him.
Okay, here.
Okay, we're fine, I think.
I'm dead.
They're just running mass heavy right now.
Yeah.
Oh, they are too.
I
Okay.
can't believe they fucking got out with that shit.
One down left. 2 down left. 3 down left.
I'm pushing, I don't know.
I can start putting shots in them in about 3 seconds.
I'm like 5 behind the other O. If you guys just want to go on, I can go on after you.
Oh
Oh
my
God,
god, I
not
got
this.
mortared.
Okay, I'll get this.
Amazing. Piece of sh.
Playbox front.
If you want to go in, you can.
They're running. Oh, they're pushing front.
Okay, I'll go
Dig.
behind them.
That's right.
Pardon, are you distracting them?
Yeah.
I'm down.
They're doing 4D.
They're just
I killed-
rabbiting.
Of 2 of them, there's an
Killed one
HO
of
up there.
them, but
I'm dead.
Where'd that guy go?
Kill him.
I can stay a
Go kill
little
him.
while.
I'm gonna go
I'll
kill
go
him.
get.
Yeah, do that. Because we're dead. Oh, sorry, watch out front.
Hmm.
Oh, comms.
How's that doing?
Nice, nice.
Yeah, I'll just go in now.
Okay, if anyone's there.
There's another
There's a
round.
he's like it's a heavy, so
Do it.
Why are they going heavy
Yeah,
on
snipe.
DX?
Oh, 2 right. Shit. Move left. Move
I
left.
hit second vision.
Snow,
Just gonna speed
5
down.
behind you.
I'm down.
Keep crash. I think he's by himself.
Just go in.
Oh shit, we
Funding's
need
here.
help on D.
I think we're fine.
Or take this some more. Oh my god, fucking
they're
bad.
stacking the
Try
O.
for playbox.
Whoa, why?
Yeah,
Why'd it go
Missed
over
these
there?
swords from my
Oh,
house.
We might have return.
I got return.
Nice.
Damn it.
Why'd it go all the way over there?
Got a weird
no.
bounce.
I'll be 35 for a right cap. So something needs to go down
Okay, I'm
sometime.
fighting playbox now.
I won't use it.
25.
Dodra right